Thank you for watching. I'm here today just to give you an overview, share some information, and give you my first impressions on this nice luggage shoulder strap, universal shoulder strap that is available on Amazon. Let me tell you some things that I really love about this shoulder strap. First off, it's got a very large shoulder pad on it, and it is very thick, very padded, very comfortable. It's made of a high quality nylon, and it uses what I consider more secure crab claw clasps. Just to give you a comparison, this is a shoulder strap of a very expensive piece of luggage that I have for a garment bag, actually. And you'll notice the padding itself is very, very small. It's not even a pad. It's just a piece of silicone type, plasticky type of thing. It's really not even very flexible, and it's really not comfortable at all. Compare that to this universal pad. You can see it's twice as long. I travel a lot, and so a pad like this is necessary going from terminal to terminal at the airport or even on a cruise ship. As you can see, the pad is significant. If you're looking for a way to travel with more comfort, I highly recommend that you give this universal shoulder strap a look. It works for me. It's a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.